The new science complex has been under construction for over a year now, which has got anyone who is part of the science program anxious for it to be over. The $100 million expansion and renovation is Butler's largest investment ever. Biology major Bridget Costello confirms science majors are ready for the new complex as the old one is outdated and cramped.
I think the new science building is definitely going to be really beneficial for science majors just because it will have newer classrooms and newer equipment that's a little more up to date than our current science building, so I think that'll be really nice for science majors.
The complex will include high-tech classrooms, state-of-the-art lab spaces, a science innovation center with learning spaces, and a library learning gateway and collaboration area. The goal of this expansion is to reflect the interdisciplinary nature of science, which will lead to an altogether stronger program at Butler, bringing in new science majors.
I think this building definitely could help draw in new science majors because it is such a big project and they've been working on it for so long. I think that a new building, if people hear about it, it will definitely, draw attention to the science college and draw in more majors.
For more information about the complex, go to thebutlercollegian.com.